Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you save an email as a PDF file on your iPhone. So it's very simple. Go to home screen of your iPhone and open Mail app. Now select that mail you want to save as PDF by tapping on it to open it. While viewing the image, tap on reply button. It looks like curved arrow at the bottom. In the reply menu, if you scroll down, then you will find the option of print. Tap on it. Now you can tap the share button in the top right corner. In share menu, you will have various options for sharing PDF, including saving it to your device. Tap save to files. Now choose a location to save the PDF, iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. Then tap save. The email will now be saved as PDF file in the location you specified and you can access it at any time. Here you can see the email became PDF. So this is how you can convert an email to PDF